Hi guys. So we're back. Today it's like 7 no well actually it's 6:50, but it's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. And I've been having the hardest time sleeping lately. So I want to make a body oil for sleep, maybe. um I looked up a few herbs that would be good for sleeping. So I wanted to make a body oil and see if maybe it'll work, you know? Ready, so we'll start by opening my little mason jar. I'm pretty sure I got this from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. But I've also thrifted some mason jars. I had got like a 6-pack maybe, or 8-pack from the Hobby Lobby. Yep. So there's a few places you can get these. Okay, so the ingredients we're gonna use today is eucalyptus, peppermint, chamomile, camphor, and lavender. Okay, and we need to start with the camphor because they're little tablets, and I'm going to have to smush them up. I'm going to do like 2 of these, maybe 3. Yeah, I'll do 3. And we just need to crunch these up a little. You don't have to grind it to a pulp. Camphor smells so good. I think I like menthol smells because I like eucalyptus and I love peppermint. I love peppermint. And this it's a new peppermint that I've used because I usually get my peppermint from this one place, but I actually ordered a big bag of peppermint on Amazon. It was like $11 or $12, and it smells stronger than anything that I've had so far. I love peppermint. It smells so good. So now that we're done with this, got the peppermint. I think I'm going to put more peppermint in than most of the other ingredients because I like the smell of peppermint. So, and eucalyptus and camphor can kind of be like strong smells. So I don't want it to smell medicine-y, if that's even a word. Okay. Think you got enough peppermint there, girl? And so camphor, it is a natural sedative. It does calm your nerves and reduce anxiety. It's anti-inflammatory too. So it helps relieve muscle tension, and it's a decongestant. Peppermint, besides that, it's awesome. It smells amazing. It does soothe tension and tension headaches. It's good for muscle soreness, and it helps to reduce stress. I honestly kind of think that peppermint is like everything because you can use it for a lot. So peppermint, we did the camphor. Okay, let's grab the chamomile. And you know, chamomile, everyone says chamomile is good for sleep. It acts as a mild sedative that binds to specific brain receptors to reduce anxiety. It does boost drowsiness and also relaxes muscles, relieves some stomach issues. If you wake up a lot in the middle of the night, it is supposed to reduce that. So, and besides Amazon and my local Botanica, I also, yep, I got this chamomile from Hobby Lobby. It was like $6 for a little pack. So, you have options where you can get your different herbs and things. Amazon is always good because it's convenient, but I was actually in a city that had chamomile. Well, it had a Hobby Lobby, so I stopped in. And that's also where I got my eucalyptus, at Hobby Lobby. Put some eucalyptus in here. And eucalyptus is really good because it does clear airways. It also eases muscles and joint like pain or tension. So I don't like, because I don't know if I'm waking up because I'm uncomfortable or what. So, you know, like, I'm old. We getting older. I'm not saying I'm old because I'm not, but we're getting older, and the bones and the joints, they just don't do what they used to do, you know? So hopefully a lot of this is for like tension relief, anxiety relief, a little muscle pain or soreness. So hopefully this will promote better sleep for me. We did the chamomile, we did the eucalyptus. Now time for lavender. And of course, I know you've heard that lavender is good for sleep. It lowers your heart rate and blood pressure, and some studies have shown that it increases like the deep restorative sleep. So we're gonna put a bit of this in here. And lavender, it kind of actually does smell good. It doesn't smell like how, you know, certain sprays have it smell. The actual herb, it kind of smells like that, but it smells a little different. I guess it's kind of like stronger, maybe more of a herby smell than how it is in the sprays and stuff that we get. So I'm just stirring this up a bit. And now that this is mixed up, so my instructions says like to do the herbs either a half or 2/3 of the container, and then fill the remaining amount with your carrier oil. So first I'm gonna put a little liquid germol in it. It's like a preservative that makes this concoction not go bad. So you don't have to put that much in it. I'm gonna give a spoon. Alrighty. that's in there. I am going to use, so I have a few different carrier oils that I use. The sweet almond oil and the fractionated coconut oil. So first I'm going to put a little bit of this cocoa butter oil in it, because I likes the cocoa butter. And then this is fractionated coconut oil, because certain coconut oils can cause like breakouts and things like that because it congests the pores. And this is supposed to prevent that. It says to leave a little room at the top. So let's see. Add a little bit more, because it's going to go down once it gets into the herbs. And I actually read a couple different instructions. Like one says to place it in a warm, sunny spot. And then one place said to put it in a dark, cool place. Which I know you put it in a dark, cool place if it's a tincture. But a lot more of what I looked up said to put it in a warm, sunny spot. So I am going to put it in my window in my bedroom, because the morning sun comes right there. I'm going to put it like in the windowsill. And you're supposed to give it 4 to 6 weeks in that warm and sunny spot. And every day you're supposed to shake it. So I'm going to add this. I currently have one blend that I made last week. It's sitting in my windowsill. So if anyone actually came in my backyard, they would see jars and candles in my windowsill. Okay, shake this up really good. And every day you're supposed to shake it 1 time. And you wait 4 to 6 weeks. I think I'm going to wait the full 6 weeks because I want it to be potent. So, in 6 weeks, we'll see how this turned out. So, you're supposed to let it sit in the sunny spot. After the 4 to 6 weeks, get a cheesecloth and strain the oil from the herbs. And then you can bottle it up or do whatever you're gonna do with it. I have smaller little bottles that I'm gonna put it in, and we're gonna see. Wish me luck, guys. If you have any tips or anything that you would do different, or maybe a herb or something that you would add to it, let me know. I would like to know. Thank you for watching.